It's easy to plan the perfect stay, but plans can change and you may need to modify your booking. To get started, first log into the club website. Once logged in, click on View My Trips and select the booking details you wish to change. Click the Modify button and adjust your booking as necessary. Here, you can change your travel dates, number of rooms, and occupancy. You can also update or add ancillaries to your stay. When you're ready to proceed, continue to check out. If you have a voucher code, enter the code into the box and click Apply. Then, select your preferred payment method and confirm the amount of points required to amend your booking. Click Confirm when you are ready to proceed. Your amended booking is now complete, so let us know how we're doing by rating your booking experience. When you're finished, a new confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. If you need to cancel your booking, you can review your resort's cancellation policy and proceed to cancel your booking. Once your cancellation has been processed, feel free to start a new booking. And for further assistance, you can always contact your club services team. We'll see you soon.